Now let us start your exercise 8.3 on page number 189. Here we are going to use the rules or laws of complementary angles. Sin theta equal to cos 90 minus theta, cos theta equal to sin 90 minus theta. See my previous video and find out these rules. Okay, and after that, after learning this, see this. The first question. Evaluate. The first one is sine 18 degree upon cos 72 degree. See, value of 18 degree and 72 degree are not there in your textbook. Okay, which is not in your course. But you have to remember the pair of complementary angle. Sine and cos are pair, tan and cot are pair, sec and cosec are pair. And the best view is what? See the digits. 18 and 72 total will be 90. Then they are pair. Okay? Means complementary angles are pair of each other. Now out of these two, change any one. Suppose here we suppose that 18 degree is theta. Then it is sine theta. Then the formula is what? Sine theta equal to cos 90 minus theta upon cos 72. Cos 90 minus theta is 90 minus 18 is 72 upon cos 72. Cancel, so answer is 1. Second, tan 26 upon cot 64. Now check it. 26 plus 64 is 90, so they are pair. Now out of these two, change anyone, whatever you like. Suppose now for this question I change denominator. This is suppose cot theta. What is the formula? Cot theta equal to tan 90 minus theta. I can write tan 90 minus 64. So this is tan 26 as it is upon 90 minus 64 is 26. Both are cancelled. Answer is 1. Third number. Cos 48 minus sin 42. Cos 48 minus sin 42. Again, check it. 48 plus 42 is 90. So these two are the pair. Out of these two, change any one. This is cos theta. I should change. Cos theta is what? Sin 90 minus theta. Theta is 48. Minus sin 42, keep it as it is. So this is sin 90 minus 48 is 42. Minus sin 42. Sin 42 minus sin 42 is 0. Now number 4. Cosec 31 minus sec 59. Again check the digits, angles. 31 plus 59 is 90, so they are the pair. Out of these two, change any one. I change cosec theta. Cosec theta should be written as sec 90 minus theta minus sec 59. Sec 90 minus 31 equals to 59 minus sec 59. Sec 59 minus sec 59 is 0. This is your first question. Second question, show that, means you have to prove. First number, left side is given, right side you have to prove 1. Left side is what? LHS equals to tan 48 into tan 23 into tan 42 into tan 67. Answer I want 1. Once again, see the angle only, don't see ratios. Tan दिया है या cot दिया है, don't think about it. See only angles and find out the pair. Complementary angles are always pair. So 48 and 42, 48 plus 42, 90. So this is the pair. 23 and 67, 90. So they are the pair. So I write 1048 into 1042 first. Then multiplied by 1023 into 1067. All these ratios are in multiplication. Out of this two, change any one. Tan theta, it is written as cot 90 minus theta into 1042 into. Out of this two, I change this. Tan theta is cot 90 minus theta into 1067. Cot 90 minus 42 is 48, that is 42 into 1042 into cot 67 into 1067. See, this is cot theta. Cot theta into tan theta is 1. See my first lecture, okay, in which I explain you about formula, and here it is. It was also written there that tan theta into cot theta is 1. Otherwise, you can simplify cot theta. Cot is what? Reciprocal of tan. Cot theta is 1 upon tan theta into 1042 into cot theta is 1 upon tan theta into 1067. So 1067 cancel, 42 cancel, 1 into 1 into 1, that is 1. This is your right hand side. Second question, take LHS. Cos 38 into cos 52 minus sin 38 into sin 52. Answer I want 0. Again check the angles. 38 plus 52, 90. So one pair is there. 38 plus 52, other pair is here. Out of this two, change any one. This is cos theta. I can write cos theta means sin 90 minus theta. Theta is 38. This keep it as it is, cos 52. Out of this two, change any one. Sin 38. So it is cos 90 minus 38 into sin 52. This is sin 90 minus 38 is 52 into cos 52 minus cos 52 into sin 52. See, both are same. Sin 52 cos 52 means this term, the same is subtracted. The term minus the same term, that is equals to 0. And this is your RHS. Question number 2. Okay. So write it properly. After that we will start number 3.